Okay guys, happy Saturday. I am making a little breakfast. I got an avocado, some spinach, some eggs, some shredded cheese. Gonna put some Himalayan pink sea salt and pepper in there. And I just add a little bit of milk with my eggs. And that's pretty much it.
Okay, so I'm gonna start doing my makeup. Let's see, it's Saturday, so today I need to wipe the moisturizer off my eyelids because or else my eyeshadow is gonna crease and no one needs that. So, oh my god, I can hear your shoes. I could hear them with the door closed this morning and I was like, I know where Lauren is.
So much noise.
Unicorn probs. What makeup should I do today?
I vlogged them this morning. No worries, guys. What are you doing? Just running around?
I'm just getting my hair done.
Oh, your palettes look really good.
Thanks.
In there.
Do you want to see them?
Mm.
Let me show you.
That is sexy right there. Wow.
Oh.
That really makes me feel some type of way. I don't know. It's kind of rainy out.
I know. I think I'm gonna wear my green teddy coat if that would sway your opinion.
Mm-hmm.
But like.
But I would keep it kind of natural.
Natural, because that's like a little bit of an extreme jacket.
Yeah, like I'm really into like the fresh-faced weekender.
Okay, so we'll do like a light tan with like a shimmer.
Yeah, I like that.
Like a subtle shimmer.
Yeah. Cute.
But like I don't. Okay. Maybe Lorac. No.
Decisions are hard.
I know it really is.
Also,
Maybe we'll do Becca.
My plant won't be available till Monday.
Of course, because you're gonna drive an hour to go get the plant specifically, and now you can't get it.
I do want to get my toaster.
So then you would have to go back next weekend?
Yeah.
Okay, should I use Jaclyn Hill or James Charles?
Use James Charles because I don't really know that well.
Okay. Then I'm mixing 3 foundations to get probably not even my perfect shade. Let's be real. And this. And I mixed far too much. I mean, this is like this is foundation for a week that I have on my hand right now. Great. Oh my gosh, this morning I was peacefully sleeping and all of a sudden this alarm starts going off, and we have like an alarm system in our apartment, but like we don't have it turned on because you have to pay for that, and not right now. So it starts like going off, and the only way to like get it to turn off is if you like call like building maintenance and they have to come shut it off. But because it's a Saturday and it was 7 a.m., building maintenance is sleeping and very annoyed at us that we called them to come turn off the alarm that was like screeching through our apartment. And the best part is Lauren slept through the whole thing.
Yeah.
Didn't even know. She woke up and I was like, did you hear the excitement this morning? And she was like, what happened? I was like, really? Because like this essentially fire alarm was going off for 15 minutes in our apartment, and a maintenance guy was also here, but sure. Sure. So that was fun. It's been a morning. I already also got a call for work at 5 a.m. this morning. Yeah, that was fun. So it's been a restful Saturday so far. Last step is setting spray. Nice. Okay. Done. So Lauren is having her like little mini rave over there, and I'm gonna now make breakfast. Sorry. No, it's funny. You can keep playing your music. So it's Saturday, which I haven't gone grocery shopping since like last Sunday. So we have like 3 things in our fridge. So I usually make breakfast tacos, but I think I don't have all the stuff for that, so I might just throw what I have into my breakfast tacos and call it a day. I live for breakfast tacos. It's like the only thing I ever want in life. Okay, so I'm gonna do that.
Okay, you guys, Katie and I and our roommate, we went to dinner last night at this place, Craft in LA, with Katie's parents, and they gave us muffins at the end, and Lorna is gluten-free, and so they were like, and here's a blood orange one for you. And it was so dark in the restaurant, like we legitimately thought that they were giving her like a blood orange gluten-free flavored muffin.
Like, oh, that's so nice you thought of her. Like, that's so great. She's gonna get a muffin like everyone else.
And this morning we saw it's a literal blood orange. Like, I'm deceased. That is so funny. Like, that, I don't even think, like, anyone realizes how funny that is. Anyways.
Honestly, like...
I'm at a loss.
I just started to make my tacos, and I put everything in the pan, and I was like, wow, I feel like it's not really cooking. Yeah. I didn't turn the stove on. So, that's a good start to my breakfast. Okay, so now I'm in my car with my mom. She doesn't want to be on camera, I'm sure. But we are on our way to we're both getting our hair cut today, and it's a super rainy day in LA, so I got my warm teddy coat on, and yeah, we're gonna go get our hair done.
It's a rainy day in LA today, so we got some candles going. Probably gonna watch some Netflix.
So glam. Thanks, Mom. So now I am back from the hair salon. My hair is a lot lighter and shorter, but I'm going to shower and wash it with purple shampoo because I'm weird, and when I get my hair done, I always wash it like the day I get it done because I like how I style it better. So I'm gonna shower and I'm gonna wash it with purple shampoo so it takes out any brassiness, because I'm like naturally brunette and I get a lot of blonde like highlights and balayage and all that. So purple shampoo helps it look less brassy and just like a cooler toned blonde. So I'm gonna do that.
Just to show you guys my outfit, I'm about to grab dinner with a friend tonight, but I don't have a full-length mirror, so I'm sorry. But I'm just wearing this jean jacket from Topshop. It's raining and it's cold, so great. This top is from Nordstrom. Earrings are Brandy Melville, and then I'm just wearing ripped black jeans and my black boots. Nothing too crazy.
Good morning, everyone. It is a very rainy, gloomy Super Bowl Sunday in Los Angeles, and I'm about to go to Trader Joe's and just get like my weekly groceries. It's about 8 a.m. I wanted to get out here early before like any madness last minute shopping hit. Okay, so I'm back from the grocery store, and I thought I'd quickly kind of go through what I got there so you guys can see what I get at Trader Joe's. So I mainly buy all of my vegetables at Trader Joe's, and then if I want like any sort of protein, I'll go to Whole Foods throughout the week and get it. But these like cruciferous veggie salad kits, I use those for lunch, and I just add like protein or nuts or something in my own dressing.
And then these cauliflower pizza crusts are really good for like a quick dinner. If you heat it up in a pan, it's quicker than in the oven. And then I make homemade pesto with that basil. And then I put like Brussels sprouts and chicken or something like that on it. And then I always have sweet potatoes because they're quick and easy and filling. And then the chicken tamales from Trader Joe's are really good if you're just really feeling like you don't want to cook. Quick and easy, but that's mainly what I get from Trader Joe's. Oh, and I always buy pastured eggs. Those are from, you can get them like Whole Foods or Sprouts or Ralph's, but pastured eggs are from chickens that aren't in like really bad living environments. So I always make sure I buy pastured ones. And that is what I bought at Trader Joe's this morning.
We're at a small little Super Bowl gathering right here. Scott, this is his
Yeah,
space.
so it's not really small. We got a lot going on here.
Okay. Can you please give a tour of the meat that you so kindly made?
Yeah, so we have a few different things out here for Super Bowl Sunday. And on ours, we have some wings that Danielle kindly made. Yeah, kindly approved.
Everybody.
Some buffalo sauce. It's like a variation of that.
Well, I'm gonna have to get that.
And over here we have 2 different types of ribs. So a lot of people do the St. Louis cut, but we went with the standard pork ribs. And the reason behind that is you want really the full fat on there, because as you slow cook it over time, it gets into the meat.
Yeah, for sure.
So
Yeah, that like totally makes
what we did with the ribs was we started out by just putting some mustard on it. It just gives you a nice acidic layer. It breaks down the meat, and then also allows your dry rub to really sink in. And the dry rub was a homemade one, so I don't really want to share the.
Yeah, that's fair.
I know.
No, I totally get it.
Top
You guys
secret.
understand.
Chef's recipe.
Yeah.
And then, so yeah, we put that on there, put it on the smoker about 2.5 with a little bit of cherry wood.
For sure.
Cherry wood.
Yeah. So we did some mesquite hardwood briquettes with some cherry wood, and then ran that for about an hour and a half.
Okay.
And we did the trick called the Texas crutch, which is where you wrap everything in butter and foil and
Okay.
get like the really moisture down deep into the ribs.
Where'd you learn
But-
this? I mean, this technique. There's so many techniques.
I have a guy named Jeff.
Okay.
Oh, Jeff.
Not everybody has Jeff, but
Lauren, do you want to try a rib? Give a review.
I really don't want to like eat in front of people.
We'll give a review later.
Oh.
Okay, guys, so we're back from our little Super Bowl extravaganza, little shindig. It was really fun. It was just, a small
Little gathering.
gathering. But our friend Scott, this one goes to you.
Good
Ribs were great. They were probably the biggest ribs I've ever seen in my
Oh
entire
my
life.
gosh, they were huge.
But he slow cooked them for like hours.
Yeah, he did a really
Hours.
good job, so
They were really good, so thank you.
that was great. So if you liked our little vloggy type video things.
Yeah, this is like our first vlog,
Yeah.
like true vlog.
How do we do?
Let us know.
Yeah,
Did you
you
enjoy
know.
it? Are we boring? Is our life boring?
If you hated it, just like don't let us know. But if you liked it, maybe we'll do more. Who knows?
But happy weekend, end of weekend, and Tuesday. Oh, yeah, this goes up on Tuesdays.
Yeah, Tuesdays.
But we'll see you guys next week.